Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are in sunny Stoke Prior. As you can see, it is lovely and warm. It's t-shirt weather, and yeah, definitely different compared to yesterday's adventure with the LaFerrari. A very good day, very cold though, so if you haven't already seen that video, go back and check it out. But yeah, it's lovely and warm today. Very nice as well. We've got the canal right next to us, and although it looks a bit muddy, definitely looks relaxing to go for a dip in. So yeah, we're here in Stoke Prior. We're here for the Nomads meet. Big thank you to Carl for letting me know the show was on. Didn't know it was on, but yeah, let's head on inside, see what turns up. So it's filling up nicely. We've got the Alpha, got the Mini, got the two bigger Minis. We've got the Transit next to the Redditch Westerners show team. And this is the field where Autofest used to take place. It's not taking place this year. Hopefully it'll be back next year. But yeah, we've got some glorious sunshine as well. And what a perfect day to definitely be sitting in the back of this Mini. So we've got a nice turnout already. We've got the limited edition Corvette. We've got Carl's Trans Am. Big thank you to Carl for letting me know about this event. Didn't even know it was on. And then we've got the Fiesta XR2. We've got the old Range Rover. My dad used to have one of those in red, the old two-door. And then we've got the very gangster Mercedes down the end. That engine is tightly squeezed in there. Check out the fleck on this paint job on the Ford Ka. Very sparkly in the sun. And love the wheels on this Audi as well. Here's the Porsche we've seen a couple of times with the Corvette V8 in it. Absolutely stunning car. Just listen to that V8 per.
A lot of the conversions I see are with
Check out the engine on this Porsche Corvette 5.7 litre. Now this is the same engine as what we've got in the Camaro. But wow, this is done proper. You can tell a lot of care and a lot of detail has been thought into this. And as you come around the side, we've seen it a couple of times at Wheels on Wednesday. It is for sale if you are interested. And yeah, to be expected. The owner's won a couple of awards in it. Not surprising. To come around the side, manual box. There's a bit more of the details about the car, and one of only 2 in the UK. So very rare indeed, especially over here. So the group is called Nomads, and this is their first meet of the year. The sun shines out, it's nice and warm, t-shirt weather, and a great turnout as well. Yeah, not a bad lineup for their first meet of the year. And there's plenty of other car shows that will be coming up very, very soon. So car show season is almost up on us. The long winter is almost over. Won't be long now till we're all basking in the sun and the 30-degree heats. Just enjoying the long summer nights. But until then, got a little bit of a glimpse of it right now with the sun out, and interesting exhaust position. Let's check out these 2 Cobras. Got a Cobra with Cobra on the plate. 427 Ford Cobra. All that chrome in there on the engine. There's a Cobra on the side. Perfect for this sort of weather. We've got a Skoda VRS with Lamborghini Gallardo alloys. Bye.